Oh, yeah. Alrighty then. So I'm going to share some new stuff with you. You saw I've got a Ryobi drill. It is corded. I've got the Ryobi soft brush kit. And I picked up a kit for leather. Show you this. It's got a attachment which is a Velcro driver, pad driver. I don't know if you can see that in there. There you go. And then it has those soft pads. I'm going to use the softer pads that are in this kit for leather cleaning. And then the blue brushes over there, I'll demonstrate those today. I was using pads on the orbital, but I've had the pads fly off and risk damaging the upholstery with the Velcro pad driver. I'll be cleaning these carpets as well. I'll show that in another video. And oh my gosh, look at this. Oh, this bad stain. They've tried everything, and I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to get it out. It was some kind of heated oil tar. I don't know. We'll see what we can do with it in the next video. So make sure you catch that one. You can see it's heavily soiled in some of these areas. But my focus right now is going to be on the sofa. The cushions are attached. And this Ryobi drill, it has 2 speeds. There's 1 and 2. Willy Wonka had his chocolate factory, but Polly C's got the carpet and upholstery factory, baby. Oh yeah, using these new tools, cleaning up beautifully. Let's hit it with the vac. And now for the cushions. I'll detail those a little better off camera when I can get a better angle. But oh yeah, there's the finished product. Shiny, bright, and clean. I may just go grab my hand brush and brush it all one direction so it's nice and uniform. But it is practically dry and ready to roll. So stay tuned for my next video and watch how we handle that nasty stain. I'll see you in the next one.